Hi guys, welcome to Tutes Online. Today I'll be talking about solving for x. Start with a simple example. 3x equals 24. So what we want is x by itself on the left. So we want to get rid of that 3. And to do that, we want to divide both sides by 3. So we'll go ahead and do that. So this is good because the 3's cancel. And so we're left with just x on the left. And that is equal to 24 divided by 3, which is 8. So that's what x is for that simple example. We'll look at a more difficult one involving two x's. Negative x minus 5 equals 2x plus 3. So to start with this one, we'll expand the brackets. And all this does is swaps the negatives to positives and positives to negatives. So this will make our minus 5 a plus 5 and our plus x a minus x. I'll get rid of the brackets and make that minus x. Now we want to move all the x's to one side. So we'll move the x's to the right. 2x plus 3. To get rid of the x on the left hand side, we want to plus x, because minus x plus x is just 0. So we'll plus x to both sides. That's plus x over here. And this side just has 5 left on it. So that's gone. And we want to move this 3 to the left hand side, so the x's are the only ones on the right. To do that, we minus 3 from both sides. So that's 5 minus 3 on this side. And this one's cancelled, so you're left with 2x plus x. So this is equal to 2 equals 2x plus x is just 3x. To get rid of this 3 in front, we do what we did last time. We'll divide both sides by 3. So this gives us 2 over 3 is equal to x, or x equals 2 over 3. We'll do one last example, which is a bit more complicated. X over 2 equals 5x over 3 minus 9 minus x over 4. To start solving this, we need to have a common denominator. To get a common denominator, we times the current denominators we see by each other. So that's 2 times by 3 times by 4, which is equal to 24. For this first one, we could times the top and bottom by something, and the net result is the same. So if we did x times by 2 times by 3 times by 4 divided by 2 times by 3 times by 4, we could cancel a set of 2's. So we'll go this one and this one. So this would be equal to x, and this is 3 times 4, which is 12, divided by 2 times 3 times 4, which is 24. So what you're really doing is putting 24 on the bottom, which is the result of timesing all the denominators together, and you're cancelling whatever the current denominator is. So that's the 2 there, and that's why we didn't have 24 on the top, we only had the 12. So for the next one, 24 on the bottom, but for the top we would have 2 times by 4, because the 3 would be gone. So the 2 would still be there. Equal to 5x times by 2 times by 4, which is 8, as we just explained, divided by 24, our common denominator. And we've got minus. Now I'll keep 9 minus x in brackets. The 4 is the denominator, so we'll get rid of 4 and we'll leave the 3. So we're just left with 6 up the top and divided by 24. A common denominator is good because then you can just look at the numerator. So all you essentially have is 12x from the first one, which is equal to 5x times by 8, which is 40x, minus 9 times by 6 is 54, 6x. We'll move the page down. We'll move all the x's to the left. So that's 12x. We want to get rid of the 40x, so that's minus 40x. And minus 6x is plus 6x. So we want to minus 6x from the right hand side and from the left hand side. And that's equal to minus 54. Is negative 34. X equals negative 54. Divide both sides by negative 34. And you get, if you put this into a calculator, x equals 27 over 17. That's it from me. If you have any questions, just post a comment. Please subscribe to the channel and visit the website. Thanks.